Welcome to the Userway Quick Guide video. Here I will be showing you the accessibility you can access from the Research Guides page. To start, go to the Research Guides page from the University Libraries homepage, then click on the Accessibility button in the bottom left-hand corner. Beginning at the top, there is a language section, where you could click any language you may need to understand the website. As you can see here, if you click on a language, for example Arabic, the whole website will translate to that language. Now I could toggle that on and off. The accessibility profiles I will come back to later in the video. The oversized widget toggle makes it so each widget is enlarged for visually impaired users. Now getting into each widget, the first one is the screen reader. It reads the text aloud to the user. There are 3 speeds: normal, fast, and slow. To use, you could place your mouse over the desired content and press the left mouse button. Contrast is designed to improve color contrast on the web page. There are 3 themes: invert colors, dark contrast, and light contrast. Smart Contrast is similar to the contrast tool, but it is designed to auto-adjust colors to text, backgrounds, and other elements on the web page to ensure good contrast between the foreground and the background colors. The Highlight Links tool makes links on the web page stand out by highlighting them. Bigger texts allow the user to increase the size of the contents on the web page up to 160% larger. There are 4 sizes: 120% larger, 130% larger, 150% larger, and 160% larger. Text spacing is similar to bigger text, but it increases the space between text characters on the web page. There are 3 spacing distances: light spacing, moderate spacing, and heavy spacing. We don't have them on this screen, but what the Pause Animations tool does is it allows users to pause moving elements on the web page. Hide Images allows users to remove images from the web page. The Dyslexia-Friendly tool converts fonts used on the web page into a dyslexia-friendly font. As you could see, certain letters that would usually be lowercase, like N, are now uppercase so they could be easily decipherable. Also, it contains a Legible Fonts tool, which converts fonts with lower legibility, such as script-style fonts, into a font with better legibility. The Cursor tool increases the size of the mouse cursor to a much larger size. Also, it contains a reading mask, which may help users who are easily distracted, such as those with attention deficit disorders, focus their attention on a specific area of the screen. And a reading guide, which may help users track the line they are currently reading, much like following the line in a book with your finger. The Page Structure tool provides users with a list of headings, landmarks, and links contained on a web page. This may help users quickly jump to specific content based on headings. The line height tool increases the space between lines of text on the web page. There are 3 spacing distances: 1.5 times, 1.75 times, and 2 times. Text Align allows users to change the alignment of text on the web page. There are 4 settings: Align Left, Align Right, Align Center, and Justify. The dictionary tool allows users to look up the definition of words and idioms on the web page. Using your mouse, highlight a word on the web page. This will bring up the definition of that word in a pop-up. The pop-up provides the definition in text and also includes audio of the word's spelling and definition. You may also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+M to bring up a search box to look up the definition of any word or idiom. The saturation tool allows users to change the web page color saturation. There are 3 settings: low saturation, high saturation, and desaturate. Voice navigation allows users to interact with the web page using voice commands. After enabling voice navigation, the voice navigation help interface will appear on the screen. If the help interface is minimized, select the plus button to open the help interface, which will provide common commands. Select the minus button to minimize the help interface, and select the X button to disable voice navigation. Going back up to the Accessibility Profiles tool, you could click on a certain accessibility that fits your needs. It will automatically choose which specific tools help that accessibility. For example, if we click on ADHD, it will automatically choose the play animations, reading mask, and low saturation tool. At any time, you can also always go down to the bottom of the page where you can reset all of your choices by clicking the Reset All Accessibility Settings button. These tools help all users more easily access and understand our research guides, and particularly those needing specific accommodations, such as for vision impairments, motor or cognitive deficiencies, attention deficient disorders, and more. If you have any questions, be sure to use the Ask a Librarian service on the library homepage.